guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to learn a few of those patterns, we do have a few up for free up here on our YouTube channel. And then the second two, or the last two in this grouping, we have up on our website, along with many other patterns. If you're liking the Foxy and you want to learn more, go ahead and check that out. That is ballroomfeed.com. We always have it linked below, and we have tons of wedding content and extra tips there as well. So be sure to head over there and check that out. That being said, we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.